Hello guys, and welcome to another CorelDraw tutorial. In today's video we are going to cover freehand tool, which is a part of big tool tools in CorelDraw. So when we click this small arrow here, you can see we have this other tool here, which can't click today. We have this other tool here called freehand pick tool. Now, to understand how this tool work, I'll have to draw a number of circles on the screen in random way, just like that. Now, using the pick tool that we covered in the other video, you can just highlight like a number of circles this way, and you have them at your disposal, and you can resize them together. You can make them bigger. You can even distort them, as you can see here. But let's say you want to select a specific arrangement, and a basic square or rectangular selection won't work. In this case, if you'll have to use a freehand pick. And what freehand pick does, it lets you select object using freehand marquee. And by marquee I mean you can select using a certain pattern, or it's like you can draw a curve across the shapes that you want. So if I drag this way, I am able to select, for example, this set. If I drag this way, I'm able to select just this one. If I drag this way, I'm able to select this set here. And with the selection, I can work on the selected images the way I want. I can resize them. I can even rotate them by clicking twice here and rotating them. So basically, freehand tool allows you to select images or objects freely using freehand marquee. So thank you guys for watching, and basically that's how you use freehand tool in CorelDraw.